Are you ready to have your mind blown? Today, we're diving deep into the world of garlic, uncovering an unbelievable acid that will leave you in awe. Garlic, a culinary and medicinal superstar, is known for its pungent flavor and health benefits. But hold on tight, because there's more to garlic than meets the eye. Scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery, an acid in garlic that has remained hidden until now. The mystery surrounding this acid has sparked excitement in the scientific community. Through research, scientists have uncovered the unique properties of this compound, suggesting a wide range of potential health benefits. And here's the kicker: this acid not only enhances flavor but also promotes heart health, boosts the immune system, and even has anti-cancer properties. It's a game changer in nutrition and wellness. This incredible acid found in garlic has the potential to revolutionize how we view this humble ingredient. Its discovery opens up a new chapter in natural compounds research and their benefits for human health. The future looks promising with the possibilities this acid brings to the table. So, why not incorporate more garlic into your cooking and experience the benefits firsthand? Share your thoughts on this remarkable discovery. Let's continue to explore the wonders of nature's pantry and unlock the secrets of garlic's hidden treasures. Thanks for watching.